So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. And now you want to expand control. And now you want to expand CL. And now you want to click on config. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the config folder. And now once you're on this, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on DWORD 32-bit value. You want to type in Vulnerable Driver Blocklist Enable. This will also be down below in the description. You can just copy and paste it if you want to. So rename it to this, spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. And now once we have this right here, you want to double click on it. Make sure that in this box you have the number 1. So under Vulnerable Driver Blocklist Enable, value data is 1, and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.